Hey, it's the Odd Man. I'm here at the train station in Kelso. So I'm taking the train to Tacoma. I'll swim with the wife for an hour, go out for lunch, and then head back here. Do a long, expensive trip for a quick swim. I could have done this much more easily and much more quickly if I'd just gone swimming here in Longview. The YMCA pool in Longview is like 10 minutes from my house, and the swimming is probably the same cost as what it's going to cost me to go swimming in Tacoma. It's winter, obviously. It snowed last night, which was kind of a shock. So a guy probably doesn't want to go swimming outdoors, that's for sure.
We're a great big rolling railroad, one that everybody knows. We were born of gold and silver spikes 100 years ago. We're a million miles of history, as shining in the sun. We're the Union Pacific, and our story's just begun. From the Great Plains of Nebraska to the California seas, from the summits of the Rockies to the mighty redwood trees, we're 1,000 wheels of freight train here, the diesel engine's power. We're the Union Pacific, doing 90 miles an hour. Bound from Omaha to Portland through Cheyenne and Laramie, we're heading west for Boise on the main line to the sea. Across the Flats at Salt Lake City, on to Vegas and LA. We're the Union Pacific, and we've got the right of way. From the green fields of the prairies to the blue Pacific shore, we deliver your great cargo and come rolling home for more. On the backbone of our nation, you can see us make the climb. We're the Union Pacific, and we're gonna be on time. From the green fields of the prairies to the blue Pacific shore, we deliver your great cargo and come rolling home for more. On the backbone of our nation, you can see us make the climb. We're the Union Pacific, and we're gonna be on time.
Market Street and 13th. There's the Y. This is the Thea Foss waterway. I just had lunch The mahi was spectacular. But I wasn't sure I was in the right place when I got here. This says Pacific Seafood, which is a seafood wholesaler, supplier. But if you walk around to the other side of the building, there is actually a restaurant. For a Thursday, this isn't terribly busy. This is the odd man, out.
We're a great big rolling railroad, we're the diesel engine's power. We're 1,000 wheels of freight train doing 90 miles an hour. Like a mighty rushing torrent with a power you can feel, surging through our nation's heartland on a river made of steel. From the shores of California, where the blue Pacific flees, to the father of the waters, rolling down to New Orleans. We have forged a span of steel that links our nation east and west. We're the Union Pacific, doing what we do the best.
From New Orleans to Seattle is 3,000 miles away. Across the rivers, plains and mountains, and we're going there today. We were there to bridge the rivers when our country still was new. We're the Union Pacific, we can handle it for you.